Jamie is finally going to get to show us what he's doing with everything that he's literally taken from the garden. You are going to make rigatoni in a very special way with every part of a zucchini.
This particular thing that we're working through today is zucchini. You'll see them from little guys, right? Little girls, I mean. Leaves, stems, fruits, seeds, the whole thing, we're gonna incorporate it into like a pasta salad. If you've ever picked zucchini, you know how, intense they are. They're covered in little tiny thorns. All of those spikes, they pop right off with a paring knife. You can do this just like you're stringing green beans. Once they're peeled, they're soft. Now it feels more like celery. So we'll take these and we'll just chop them down. We'll cut them to about the size of penne. See this in the bowl. Zucchini leaves, same deal. You feel them at first, they don't feel like food. They're covered in these little spikes. To get rid of these, we blanch them. If you don't have zucchini leaves at home, consider spinach, basil, any big kale, any leafy greens, things like that would be perfect. All right, we're gonna give these a quick bath. 1, to soften them up, and then 2, to brighten them up. Our pumpkin seeds are toasting, really same family. If you let any zucchini, pumpkin, squash, anything, you let this mature to the size of a pumpkin, it will produce these beautiful hard seeds. Seeds are beautiful. We'll let these fry a little bit. As the pumpkin seeds fry in the olive oil, you'll start to hear them pop a little bit, which is very cool. It means you're ready. Okay, for that pesto, it's about equal parts by weight. The leaves, the seeds, the olive oil, the cheese. This is perfect. This is exactly where we want this. Pesto's done, stems are done, seeds check, leaves check. We're gonna cook our pasta. Okay, so the rest of this basket, we're really just looking at these different beautiful parts and pieces of zucchini. These little tiny flowers, unopened, fully opened, tiny, tiny squash with flowers attached. The whole plant is amazing. Look at this guy. It's perfect. Our slicer here. Now what's great about this slicer specifically, you can really get it all in there, but it falls right into the handy box. Perfect. Take these lovely zucchini blossoms that Rachel just hooked us up with. We're gonna tear these into pieces. We're gonna keep them raw and just fold them right into the salad. I'm gonna need your help.
Okay, what do you want?
The most inspiring part about you in general watching you cook is watching you destroy a lemon. Okay, those hands will crush a lemon. Can we get a few lemons juiced?
Yes. Squeeze the lemons from cut side up so that the seeds do not fall into your sauce. Woohoo!
In real life.
Who needs a reamer? You got an arm. So gorgeous. And I love that you picked the lawn. We literally spread our lawn with only edible flowers.
Yeah.
My inspiration was, of course, Farmer Lee and Jamie. I love you.
Thank you so much. Rock and roll. Grab a bowl.